Welcome to OnlySocial. In this video, I will show you how to customize Messenger's Get Started button with SalesBot. When a user comes to the Messenger, they will notice a button labeled with Get Started. The bot will be activated as soon as they click the button. This vital feature serves as an effective way for initiating conversations with potential customers from their very first interaction. Let's get started. To start, navigate to the Bot Manager located in the left-hand menu of your SalesBot dashboard. This is your hub for all things SalesBot. Once there, select the Facebook page where you aim to activate the Get Started button. Next, go to Get Started Settings. Here, under the Get Started and Welcome message, you will find an option to enable the button and customize your welcome message. This is your opportunity to introduce your company and encourage users to engage with your Messenger bot. You may personalize the message by including the user's first and last name. Please note that the character limit for the welcome message is 160 characters, so brevity is key. Once you have crafted your message, click the Save button. Now, to create the Get Started bot, navigate to the Action Settings and select the Get Started template. This will direct you to the Visual Flow Builder, where a standard bot response is already provided in the template. To create a unique bot experience, you will need to modify this template. You have the flexibility to use various elements as needed. To edit the text, simply double-click on the text element and add the text. Next, I will add buttons. For instance, I will include 2 buttons. For the first button, I will label it Free Trial, which will prompt users to sign up for a free trial. For the second button, I will label it Help Center to direct users to assistance resources. After completing these steps, if you visit your Messenger page, you will see the welcome message alongside the Get Started button. When a user clicks this button, the bot will be activated, directing them either to the free trial sign-up page or the Resource Center, depending on the specific page selected by the user. Everything is functioning as intended. This marks the conclusion of the video. Thank you for watching.